Roads run away to reflected glare. No use the map, pocked with coffee stains. Crumpled in my lap, all that still remains of the course which yesterday seemed to funnel the very hair straight through Sioux Falls and the caves. And you've seen the buffalo. Sioux Falls in the days you knew your words, you knew where to go. Crease of the page, new rip in the script, jars us awake from dreaming now. To sow or not to sow, and I can hear your silent screaming. Who are we to know in this day and age? Navigation's been outstripped by these roads. All these roads, where's the one for riversides of Sioux Falls? And you've seen the harvest. Open skies, solid walls, and no need for east or west. Saloons of Sioux Falls, and you've seen the cavalry. Drinking with Boone Davy and Paul, singing songs of liberty. My Rolls Royce, we took the long way home. So many perfect names ringing of distant shores, and beginner's luck, they all look the same. Tired thrift stores, too many trucks, all drowning out your voice over the payphone. What are you saying? What is it you're saying? I can't tell what you're saying. Put down the phone and let's get married, babe. Just look at us falling prey to a country's worth of window shopping. And what are we looking for? I'll pick you up, no sense in stopping. We'll push on against the sun, up to the shore, onto the ferry, and away we'll sail away. We'll sail to Sioux Falls, yeah. We'll sail to Sioux Falls, yeah. We'll sail to Sioux Falls, yeah. We'll sail to Sioux Falls.